Welcome back to another PVDV kitchen video. Today we're going to be unboxing the new 2021 Space Gray MacBook Pro. If you enjoy our videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get into the video. The MacBook Pro had great reviews, so we decided to buy one, but because of COVID situation, we had to order it online. It took a while for it to come, but we finally received the parcel. Let's unbox it together now. This is the brown parcel we got. Inside this is the MacBook Pro box. They had to put it into another bigger box to keep it safe and it wouldn't break. Here is the MacBook Pro white box. Now we're going to take a look at the back of the box. Now it's time to open the box. Now we're going to see what's inside this box and all the things that comes with the MacBook Pro. Here is the space gray colored MacBook Pro. It looks amazing. We're going to put the MacBook Pro aside and see what else we have inside the box. There's a lot more to go. We have an instruction booklet with all the capabilities that this MacBook Pro can do, and also the instructions on setting up the MacBook Pro. We also have space gray colored Apple stickers. We have a big charge adapter. We also have a 2-meter charge cable. Now it's time to set up the MacBook Pro and see all the features that this laptop can do. We also have a USB-C adapter if you really need one. We're going to set up the MacBook Pro. It's first asking the language you want. You can put any language you prefer on this laptop. We just created an account. Now we're going to log in and see all the features that this laptop holds. There's a lot of features into this laptop. You don't have to do them all now. You can click not now if you want to do it later. If you want more information or anything, you can click learn more and it will show you more information about that topic. There's also screen time if you really want it, and you can enable Siri. Here's what Touch ID looks like. You can also choose your look to light, dark or auto. Our Mac is ready. You can set up things that you need and download apps that you want. Here is the MacBook Pro information. MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 2020, chip Apple M1, memory 16 GB, 13.3 inch. There's a lot of GB in this, so there's a lot of storage as well. Here is the keyboard and touchpad. There's no sound buttons and brightness buttons. It's all on the touchpad where you can click on and do it with your hand. Are some default apps on the MacBook Pro. You can get Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro if you buy the MacBook Pro with the editing softwares. Final Cut Pro is a professional editing software. It's really easy to learn and really simple to do. Logic Pro is an audio and a music maker software. You can make musics and record your audios on this. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Also hit the bell if you want to get notified whenever we upload another PVDV kitchen video.